Hello everyone. Happy July 11th. Today we celebrate creativity, delicious treats, and global awareness. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's World Population Day. A day to raise awareness about global population issues. A perfect gift could be an educational book on sustainability, a donation to a population-focused charity, or a documentary screening. What's your perspective on population growth? Let's share in the comments. Next, it's National Blueberry Muffin Day. A celebration of sweet, fluffy blueberry muffins. A thoughtful gift could be a baking kit, a gourmet blueberry muffin sampler, or a cookbook featuring muffin recipes. What's your favorite muffin flavor? Share in the comments. Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Mojito Day. A day to enjoy the refreshing minty cocktail. A great gift could be a cocktail making kit, a set of elegant drinkware, or a trip to a tropical bar. What's your favorite summer drink? Share in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for August 6th to 10th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!